He's got quite the ostentatious hat. I am about to go see my friend who has a vintage store to see if I made a good find at an estate sale. So I found this pair of needlework children. They're in their original frames based on what I can find online. This was a kit by Bucilla in the 1970s, and they are absolutely darling, very of their time with the gargantuan heads and the large Twiggy mascaraed eyes. Beautifully done crewel work with the thick yarn-like fiber. They've got that classic rustic, almost burlap textured. I did some more research and found that it's probably a cotton polyester twill fabric for the substrate, and then they've got felt for the large panels of color. I'm about to tell you whether my friend with the vintage store accepted or passed on the two portraits that I brought her today. But before I do, please like this video and write in the comments what you think she decided. You can see I do not have the crewel portraits anymore, so that means that my friend at the vintage store was happy for me to pass them on to her. Yay! So this was my first time trying to pick for someone else instead of just adding to my own collection. And I was really tickled that I understood enough of my friend's aesthetic to grab something from an estate sale that would work for her store. I'll tell you a few things that she told me that made them extra special. So she's seen quite a few 1970s crewel work, and the things that made this find particularly appealing to her was that it was a pair. She said she's pretty sure she's come across the girl before, but not the girl and the boy. So that makes it more valuable and appealing. Another thing she noted was that the needlework was done very well, and all the colors were still bright and clear. And another relatively unusual thing was the integration of felt for the children's outfits and faces. Hopefully those tips will help you in your own estate sailing. So that was my first picking success story. Please tell in the comments your own picking success stories. I'd love to hear what you have a good eye for and what has been your most successful find to date.